To auto-enable driving mode when connected to the car Bluetooth audio in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap driving, tap turn on automatically, and then tap Bluetooth device. Next, tap device, and then select your car Bluetooth device, tap done button, and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now your car Bluetooth audio has been added as one of the driving mode condition, which means when your phone is connected to your car Bluetooth audio, your phone will automatically enable driving mode and apply its setting. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.